Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with LendingWorks P2P Lending Review My Usage Experience. LendingWorks P2P Lending Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for peer-to-peer lending. It connects individuals who want to lend money with those seeking loans, aiming to provide an alternative to traditional banking. Key features likely include creating loan listings, browsing loan opportunities, and managing investments. Their website provides details on interest rates, risk assessments, and the lending process. Their website highlights the potential for higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts. They emphasize transparency in fees and the detailed profiles of borrowers, allowing investors to make informed decisions. The platform likely uses a sophisticated algorithm to assess risk and match lenders with borrowers. Availability is generally accessible online. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using LendingWorks P2P Lending Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was pretty straightforward. The sign-up process was quick and easy, requiring only basic personal and financial information. The interface was initially a bit daunting, with lots of data presented, but after spending some time familiarizing myself with it, I found it quite intuitive. I particularly like the detailed borrower profiles. It gave me a lot of confidence in making my investment choices. I invested a small amount initially, just to test the waters, and the platform handled the transaction smoothly. The returns were as advertised, and I found the entire process much more transparent than I expected. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Managing my investments was a bit cumbersome on my phone. I had a quick question about the process of withdrawing funds, and their support responded within 2 days via email, a reasonable response time. I was really impressed by how the dashboard clearly displayed my portfolio's performance. The standout feature for me was definitely the risk assessment tools. They made me feel secure about my investment. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience with LendingWorks. It met my needs and gave me a good understanding of P2P lending. That's my overview of LendingWorks P2P Lending Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.